Hi guys, I'm back with my nail fantasy and I'm happy that you are here as well. Let's have fun with our nails, and today I have some polishes from you. I made the same mistake in the German one. Today I have some new polishes for you from EC Cosmetics. Molly from EC Cosmetics approached me a couple weeks ago if I would like to try out some exciting polishes, and here they are. And if you would like to see them swatched on my nails, here's already a sneak peek, and just stay tuned. I have for you today these EC Cosmetics gel polishes. EC Cosmetics uses organic biomedical materials in their polishes, which should be very good for your nails. They should not damage your nails. They are supposed to be easily removed. I use always a peel-off base coat, and this was perfect to remove, no problems. They're not staining your nails or anything. I start out with this platinum gel polish. This one is 2 coats opaque, and it has real platinum particles in it. This one is the number 03, and it's a really pretty pink color. I have it on my right hand, but you will see the live swatches in a moment. This one is a metallic glittery finish. It's absolutely fabulous. Look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. This one has a top coat on it. It's totally smooth, really nice finish. I love it. It's awesome. These polishes are not very expensive. There are currently some on sale. So the one-step gel polishes are actually under $2. This one here is $3.88 right now. I don't know how long that sale will last, but I will link you everything down in the description below. And I have also a discount code, which is Chris Thorne, my name, just below. Also the link for that, the info, and you will get another $1 off your order. These ones here are one-step polishes, meaning you don't need a base coat and you don't need a top coat for those. These are also supposed to be opaque in one coat. We will have a look later in the swatches how that works out. And I got really pretty colors, very nice for summer. This first one is A025, and it has a light purple, great, awesome color. Look how pretty that is. This is really lilac. I love lilac colors. It's awesome for summer. Then I have A109. This one is the blue, sky blue. Also gorgeous. And then we have A489, and this one is orange, and it's a popping color. It's almost neon. I love it. So pretty. And you can see already 2 polishes on my nails. This one is the platinum gel. This one is one of the one steps. These polishes are made, did I say that already, from organic materials, 100% organic. It says this one here takes only 4 minutes to remove with a normal rosewood stick, so you don't need anything metal or anything like that. As I said, my gel polishes I always use with a peel-off base, so I can't say anything to that. Perfect saturation, and they are supposed to last you a long time, over 30 days. Again, I can't say anything to that yet. We will now do the live swatches, and as always I will speed that part up, so sit back, relax and enjoy, and I'll see you later with my final thoughts on these polishes. So I'm back. You have seen all the swatches, really nice polishes. I love this platinum gel polish. The metal glittery finish is just amazing. It's stunning. It would be awesome in the sun. I'm thinking about using these for my vacation nails and not putting anything on it for a change. No stamping, nothing. They are already pretty as they are. What do you think? Awesome. I love this one. This was opaque almost in one coat. It's a very thick polish, but easy to handle, easy to really put on your nail. And 2 coats with the top coat, no wipe top coat on top. It's absolutely smooth. No ridges, no particles sticking up or anything from that glitter at all. What do you think? Isn't that amazing? It's a great color. They have several colors on the website. I will link it down below with my discount code. This one is $3.88 one bottle. I mean, that's an amazing price. Organic products in this polish, imported from Germany, they say. So it's fun. I'm making this video from Germany, getting polishes from the US where there is stuff from Germany in it. I find that funny. Anyway, then we have the one-step gels. The purple, the lilac, was good to apply in one coat. This was opaque in one coat. These are quite thin, so be careful. After I used this one, I used a little too much on those, and I had it with the blue sticking in my cuticles, which is not so good with gel polish. But again, these are natural ingredients, organic ingredients, so no issue with that. These are 10 milliliters here, and these are the ones that are currently for $1.88 on their website. Again, I'm not sure how long that lasts, so if you wanna make use of that, go ahead. Then we have the blue, and with the blue was not opaque in one coat, so it took me 2 coats. But you don't need a top coat. The finish is glossy. It's really pretty. And this orange, I love it. These colors are so awesome for summer. What do you think? If I would have to pick a favorite, would really be hard. But I have the orange on my hand, so you can already see where I'm leaning towards. Thank you so much to Molly for sending me these awesome polishes. Really pretty. I love them, and I hope you enjoyed that as well. That was it. If you have any further questions or comments, as always, leave them in the comments box below. If you enjoyed the video, I would be happy if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. At the end of the video, there will be a bubble up here with my picture. Just click on that. Doesn't cost you anything, and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are, and ta-ta till next time.